Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use Lego Serious Play. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of ideation and simulation. It got the following characteristics. It is a 3D resource that allows a group to discuss, exchange of knowledge, problem solving, and decision making. Allows to simulate a scenario with the Lego Serious Play elements under discussion among group members in order to generate alternatives and solutions to the situation. By using the Lego Serious Play materials, you can explore relationships and connections between underworld, observe both internal and external dynamics, explore various hypothetical scenarios, and make decisions regarding the situation raised. This tool can be used as a resource with any agile methodology, design thinking, Scrum, Lean Startup, etc. Okay, so when we are going to make a session with Lego Serious Play, we have to understand that this session it will be guided by a facilitator. This facilitator got a couple of tasks. The first thing is that he will guide us and he will put a challenge for the session. So it could be a situation of a development and try to fix a determined problem, or it could be basically anything. You have to use your imagination. You will be settled by groups, and that is very important because your imagination will be the main tool that you got. The group is very important. It could be settled a group of 2, 3, 4, 5, even 6 persons that will work with this. The Lego Serious Play basic package got 2414 pieces, but you can, if it's a very difficult task, you will get more pieces. So it's very interesting because everyone knows what Lego is. However, people always think that this is a game for kids, but really is not, because here you will have to use your imagination and be very creative in how to use and develop different kind of tasks. So the first thing that you have to use after you get the challenge, all the group will get together, and the first thing that you have to do is understand the scenario. The scenario could be a product development, a service development, or try to fix a determined situation of a problem. After you know that, you start building. And building is very important because here you have to use your imagination, and all the members of the group will have to interact and speak up. The interaction is very important because here you will see the strength and weakness of the situation, and you start realizing what can I do now, because here you will be role playing with the different pieces of the set. It's very important that you communicate with all the members of the group so you can see different optics in the situation that you are having. Group work is key. Very important that every member understand and get involved in the situation. If you are distant, if you don't want to participate, this task will not be helpful for your development. It's very important that after you build the scenario and after you start interacting, you start to refining. It means that everyone in the group says, okay, this is good. However, I think that we can make this part better doing this or doing that. And building a mockup and refining that mockup will be a big help in the whole development. After that, you can have 1, 2, or 3 challenges per session, depend of how difficult they are. But you always have to come to a final result. That result could have two options. One, You create a final development that will can go on in the structure of your project, or you can say like, okay, what we are doing here is not working. I mean, this development got many failures. We have to redo it again. So this means iterative. Iterative is a characteristic of agile methodologies. When you don't have the result that you want, you have to repeat it again and again and again until you get the proper result that you are looking for. And that is very important because here it needs the commitment of all the group members. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the session of participation and reflection, the team should have a result. It could be a new iteration or have a clear insight for the development. The use of this tool should let you analyze a specific situation and determine an action. Success in the session with Lego Serious Plays lie in the interaction and depth that the group put in the activities of the session. That is very important. If you get really involved, if you understand all the important situations, you will have a strong possibility to make a very good development. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.